back to the channel. We're back as a pair. Darren's got a scar on his head still. It's all healed up there, you're looking okay.
It's been a few weeks, yeah.
Hopefully we won't get another one of those today. So the plan today is to put everything back together. Everything's arrived. We have all of the parts that we think we need.
We've got everything, yeah.
We've got everything. So in a minute I'll turn the camera around and show you the magic bench with all of the lovely shiny new parts. We'll try and document as much as we can, but I think it's going to be a long day today.
It is indeed, yeah. We've got lots to do, so I think we'll...
Lots of prep work.
Yeah.
Let's show you the bench quickly. So as you can see, all of the parts nicely laid out. Okay, quick update. We've been quite busy actually. We've spent the last couple of hours prepping various bits. While we had good access, we changed the thermostat. There was nothing wrong with the other one, but we thought while we've got it all apart, it makes sense to change that. Darren also took off and replaced the water pump again. Oh yes, you were saying actually that you think that this was wearing against the block.
Definitely wearing, because on the edge of the blades we can just see the nicks where it started to catch the block. Okay. And also on the actual block, which we put the photo in there, you'll see it started to shave it, so it's got the definite signs of it being starting to go.
One who's asked the garage to do their sump, and if they've done one of these upgrades where they've got a sump plug on, some muppet, when they fitted the sump back on, they stuck loads of this sealant on it. I've just spent an hour scrubbing all the sealant off of the sump, and there was quite a lot on the inside, so obviously whatever's come out on the outside has gone on the inside as well. So not good for the car.
Severe excess amounts in there, yeah. So next job for us is going to be after lunch, obviously. We're going to be cleaning up. Well, I've cleaned up the timing case area, so it's going to be fitting the chains and sprockets.
So chains and sprockets, and then we can start with the cylinder head. I'll set up the camera, so hopefully we can show quite a bit of that all coming together.
Yeah, so it'll be the oil pump chain and sprockets first, get them done, and then get the slippers, the tensioner on, get the rest of the chain on, get it held up top out of the way.
Yeah.
And then it's down to getting ready to put the cylinder head on. So clean the piston tops, make sure the mating face of the cylinder head is clean on the block.
Happy days.
Yeah, jobs are good.
Okay then, quick update. We've been quite busy today actually. What time is it now, Darren? It's probably what, 7 o'clock? Is it?
No, it's gone. That's about 8 o'clock.
It's even 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, yeah.
So we've been at it all day. A lot of it was prep work, to be honest with you. So we're now at the stage where we're going to put the head on. Darren's been quite busy putting the oil pump sprocket and chain together. I could probably show you that. So it's going to come out. There you go. So that's all ready to go. You've got the slippers all in place, and yeah, it's just a case now of getting the head gasket on, getting the head on, and start torquing it up.
Yep, so head on, gasket, head, get that torqued down, and then do the timing chain.
Yep, so just as a reference here, for that light is bright, we've got piston 1 up at top dead centre, so we're ready to, once the head goes on, we can then start the timing, getting all the timing right.
Yep.
So while Darren's talking up the head bolts, I thought it'd be a good opportunity to do a big shout out to 2 websites that have pretty much saved my ass through the ownership of this car. First one is FQ101, which we're using their engine rebuild guide as we speak, quite literally. So Darren's using the torque settings and the torque pattern for the cylinder head right now. So thank you for the guys who run that website. I'll put a link in the description below as well. But also there's another website which I've been using a lot, which is Evolution. There's a £15 subscription, which is well worth the money. And again, there's so much knowledge on there to help you maintain these cars. They even give you part numbers so you can find the right part, which I've done. So yeah, it's been an absolute lifeline. So thank you again to those 2 websites. So yeah.
Saying that, just keep watching us because we're doing it.
Yeah, what could possibly go wrong? Anyway, we'll carry on and we'll keep you updated.